So I've opened up 3-WB AMP bonus. And what we're going to do is add a header to our document. And headers display at the top of the page when it prints. And to actually see the boxes for header and footer, we do need to go into page layout view. And you can see here we've got 3 different sections for the header. And if you scroll down, you'll notice there's 3 different sections for the footer. And if you want to zoom in, you can, but it's not necessary, unless you want to see a little closer up. And so what we are going to do is click in the left header box where you're going to key in your first and last name. Now we're going to click in the right header box and we're going to key in date printed followed by a colon, and then we're actually going to use the header and footer design ribbon to insert the date. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit current date. Now other things that you can insert is the page number, the name of the file. If you have multiple worksheets, you can even insert the sheet name. Okay, and you'll notice that it's got kind of a funky little symbol here, but that's the header's way of displaying the current date. And then we are going to kind of scroll down to the footer. Now there is a go to footer button. And so if you didn't want to scroll down, you could actually hit that button. So if we're up here, we can hit go to footer, which is the same thing as scrolling down, but whatever's your pleasure. And we're going to click in the center footer box. And this is where we're going to put the name of our file. So you do want to be in the design ribbon. And we'll hit file name. And you'll notice that it is kind of that little symbolic again. But you'll notice if we kind of click away, it shows us the name of the actual file. And if we're in the spreadsheet area and we look at the top, we are actually getting the name and the date there as well. So it's really only when you're in the box that you get the little symbolics. And at this point, they would like us to go into page layout and adjust our margins. So let's go into margins. They want a top, bottom, and left of 1 inch. And they want the header and footer to be sent to 0.5. Okay, so we will go ahead and pick this one, or actually they want custom margins. So we said top, bottom, and left are set to 1. And for the header and the footer, they want 0.5. Let me see if I can delete that one. And then I'm going to click OK. And you probably noticed that this jumped just a little bit because it is trying to show you what that's going to look like. And you do not need to worry about printing. We'll just go back to normal view and save our changes. And you should see the dashed line representing where the page break is.